What is up YouTube? It's your girl Jennifer. Hi, welcome back. It's Father's Day today. Happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers out there. We are currently driving and we are going to Kashapi Dam. It is situated on the outskirts of Nasik. सब नासिकर्स को ये स्पॉट बहुत पसंद है. वी हैव बीन देयर मल्टीपल टाइम्स. हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली सुबह निकलने का प्लान किया था, बट देन इट वाज वेरी सनी आउटसाइड एंड हम लोग निकल नहीं पाए. सो वी लेफ्ट अराउंड 10-15 मिनट्स एंड द मैप येट शोज की और हाफ एन आवर लगेगा. It's 5:30 right now. The climate is awesome and amazing. Perfect times, rainy days are the perfect times to visit places like dams and you know all the nature spots. It's just me and mummy today, and yes, we'll keep you updated on the further updates. And can you show them around how the climate is? So for all the Nasikers who are planning, I'm sure everyone has been to Kashapi Dam before, but जो लोग नहीं गए हैं, I have left from Nasik, like proper Nasik road, so it's 40 kilometers something.
Continue on Maharashtra State Highway 26 for 13 kilometers.
बहुत सारे गांव हैं बीच में. While you go to Kashapi, there you can just wait, have your tea, have your breakfast if you're leaving in the morning or evening. Dam accessible है, so you can have a perfect little picnic of your own. Ma and I are having a perfect sun-kissed moment right now, but we are driving, so we cannot wait to click pictures. The view is amazing. थोड़ी बारिश चालू हो गई है.
या आप प्री डायबिटिक हैं तो ये जूस जरूर ट्राई करें. करेला शरीर में नेचुरली
करेला
बढ़ाता है.
Yes. All the Nashikers are out. Also, this is the same road for a lot of other activities. People come for MTDC boat clubs and Gangapur Dharan and Sula and stuff like that. A lot of places fall on the same route. So yes, Sunday is Sunday. This is the Girnare गाँव. गंगापुर डैम का एक एग्जिट ये गांव से भी आता है. There is also a spot where people go and chill out. Same water accessible है. We have been there. Probably we can vlog next time about it. But कश्यपी के लिए हमें यहाँ से और अप्रॉक्स से 4.5 किलोमीटर आगे जाना है. So this is the गिरनारे गाँव. लोग यहाँ पे normally they stop, have their snacks, lot of chicken mutton ka shops because Kashapi is a place where you can take your own chicken mutton, the uncooked ones of course. और वहाँ पे जो hotels है, जो huts है, you just need to tell your preference कि आपको आपका meat कैसे cooked चाहिए and they actually cook it for you. We are not going to do that. Probably we are not sure whether we'll have dinner or no, so we are not sure.
Continue on
So we
Maharashtra
have
State
skipped
Highway
that part.
26 for 6 kilometers.
Okay, that's the water, guys, and those are the huts that you'll get to see upstairs that people have parked their cars and enjoying the view. We'll try to get to one of the water hotels that are touching the water as close as we can. So that's one of the hotel restaurants. We're considering the cruise. That's one of the closest to water. But I think we should go further and look for more options, or what do you say? Yes. We can just go forward, look if we have anything else more happening. If not, we can come back to the cruise. So finally we've decided to get down on cruise, the hotel cruise. Amazing weather. Lot of people, if you can see, there are tents, the yellow thing that you can see. Yes, right there. Those are the restaurants, but then you have to climb a bit, so we are not going there, but we're gonna enjoy the view. We're gonna enjoy the view from inside. Let's go. We've sat down for dinner. There are a couple of dishes that we have ordered. Name of the hotel is SSK Solitaire. And here we started off with our dinner, the OG, of course, masala papad. While we were waiting for our starters, we started off with masala soya chap, decent amount of pieces to share between two people, well charred, full of flavors, epic 10 on 10, a must try when you get down on SSK Solitaire. You'll find the place details in the description below. So SSK was having this kind of festival where they had different types of starters for veg and non-veg. We did not have non-veg that day, so soya chap was a really nice option that we went for. While we were enjoying our soya chaps, it was time for the main course to come in. We ordered the veg maratha with a little bit of twist. The pieces in them were huge, really well cooked inside out. We had it with garlic naan. The place really started to crowd up. A lot of people came in within half an hour. The place was fully booked, so we were just having a really great laugh, talking, gossiping, talking about the day, how the trip went, and what all the options we can go for next time. Then we ordered some hot steaming dal khichdi. I mean, it was raining outside. What can go better than a dal khichdi? And it was really, really amazing. We did not go for any desserts because we were anyways packed with the food that we already had. And yes, that's us talking and laughing and just having fun. And I would really recommend the place for dinner. And that was all about the day. We had an amazing day at Kashapi. Do visit Kashapi Dam and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Until bye bye.